All right, all right. What?
Hello.
Segwigs.
Segwig? Is that what it's called? Suptig.
Suck tags. I thought it was one of those new things you can ride on with
That sounds like you said something different.
we could. Ladies first. Yes, please. Crazy, I got 100 pounds less than you and 150 more cc. A little heavier engine, a little lighter parts. Look at that beautiful river. I say you just headbutt the piss out of that. That branch. That Michelle. Yeah, why not? We didn't get that on film last time. Yeah. Go slow. A little bit of an incline makes the BP. I'm not talking Bombardier products, okay? I'm talking butt pucker. Are you gonna get up there or what? Feeling her out? Look at that divot. Here, wait a minute. Let me go on the other side to have you come up.
You're ready to grab my front. Get up there. Just
Oh, now you want me to get up there?
yeah, in case I need it. Just if I get in a little shit moment.
Oh my God, dude.
Like that.
Good. Gas the piece out of
It's running out.
it. You held on to it. I was like, you had the old fucking Bronco.
I'm scared for you to do it.
Oh my God, I wasn't gonna gas it like that.
Well, this side.
She would have went down on you, and I'm not saying in a good way. All right, boys. I think I had it high last time. Just kidding, boys. All right, watch out. My back end is gonna kick probably right where that foot is. Wow. Wow. I don't remember that. It is more right feeling, isn't it? Why does it feel worse?
It is worse. You're laughing at me. It's worse. You going back down or you going forward?
I'm going back down. I went right up it.
Let's winch it to this street. That rut it's steep and that's nasty.
I feel like I was more left.
It kicks you right to it.
Yeah. All right, let's try the winch out. I got to be back 5:30. And now officially that I have to be there because I got to get ready.
Oh, you're going to dinner?
Now I am.
Tighten her up. I'm going to screw that thing in.
This is loose now. I don't know how to. What do you got? What do you got the string? What do you got that up there for?
Paracord?
Yeah, it's up in your nose.
Yeah, because this was falling off.
Why is it up in your nose?
Well, I guess I'm going to have to fix it.
You guess so. Might be able to hit it with the Renegade itself. If I had the Larry, I'd go and give it a decent hand. Poor old Larry gets a year in her and she's became freezing. Although this is about 3 times to 4 times more than a Larry. You were putting her, oh, I gotta break it in. break my hand. Let me show you what I'm gonna do for it. Give it to it. You can see the rock. It's only like 10 inches at the most. That's all right. I'll let you go first. That's the beautiful part. Oh. A little wider, huh? You gotta go fast. You got her 4 diff. Why don't we go over this way? You go this way? What about over here? Cut across right there. Each their own, huh? See you on the other side, huh? Twice. I got right here. It's my spot. Oh, what a beauty, guys. Yeah, it just looked nice. Looked appropriate. Yeah. Once you're already down that far, you're trying to jump it, especially with these tires. That's one of the downfalls with these tires and the stiffness of the Can-Ams. You can't throw your weight into them like you could with a lighter, more placid bike, if you want to call it. Yeah, you're pretty much at the throttle's mercy and the motor's power. Yep. He's got 76 hard seats, three tuner. He's probably rocking about 86, 85, 86. I got 91 free tuner. I haven't put the tuner on yet. Waiting to get the exhaust. Give the full. Oh no, I wasn't getting stuck in that bad boy. Getting the full braking. Get it all warmed up, and then we'll put the Dynajet Renegade tool, the RJWC tools. Should give us what, four extra horse, maybe 9. Somebody was saying they were getting some like 100, 102 horse numbers on a but it significantly increases your tell you what, that was the first time I got hit with the handlebar in my thigh. Yeah, it hurt. I'm saying with this. monster bruise, but that was for a purpose. I had a reason for that one. This one was just a jerk, quick jerk thing. I think my handlebars are a little wider on this, a little lower lying. Honestly, I like the placement and height of these. They aren't bad. Yeah, they aren't bad. The height doesn't feel like I'm like slouching down or feeling too high. I'm pretty happy with it. I know a lot of guys get that lifter. What is it called there? What's the name of that? It doesn't sound like a bar lifter. What the name of it is. Saw that one. Wow. I didn't do too bad, but you fell into it. I remember this in the summer. Dropping down. Eagle on the lake. A lot easier in the winter time. Remember, I was just cruising, going like 15, 20. Just rush. Oh man, it hurt, but damn it if it didn't feel far. Look at that beautiful barn. Look at the beauty. That thing, you would assume that would have some running water, which it does. Holy. Look at there, the Kraken's gonna come out of there. Beauty. Thing is gorgeous. Yeah, I'd get that into the service. Dave, where are you, man? You know how nasty that ice has got to be?
It's probably nasty.
It's Bologna's bologna.
Oh.
Yeah. I bet you're at some serious
grit.
mineral.
I got grit from it.
Yeah. Because it's not water dripping through, it's ice pushing through. Good thing you got your Klim baklava on.
Good thing I got my Gatorade.
Easy, fella. Easy, boy. Go quick. Already in the whisker basket. Oh, my first banger. My first banger clip. We got a little deep ski. I just want to get a nice little video. That's where I fell into when you were clipping your toenails. Gonna be alright? There, Mike. I'll give you a shove ski. Here. Here, get up there, I'll get you. Go on, get up there and put your weight in the front, I'll get you. I'll get you. Get up there. Ready? Go to the left. Go, get it. My girl. Dunk down. Go. Ah, fuck, my boot. My boot's wet. It claims another.
Yeah, you gotta win.
My boot. My boot, dada. That's not cool. Oh. Just winch up. Woo. That's pretty low right there. Ah, damn. I didn't step off, it tipped off. I got regular boots on. I got it. There we go. Watch your feet now. Open her up.
Hold on.
I just let it loose. It's close enough. Yeah, you will. Go. Go ahead. Go. There you go.
Woo! Come on.
Better be careful right there too, Dave. You better be careful, you're going into some precious right there. Let's compromise. Alright. That was a clunker. Right there. Oh. You see that? This little guy. Don't worry about that little guy. Good. Inside. Good. It was a piece of bamboo. Little bamboo. Which way? Left? You said don't go left. Golly, I'm turning left. You told me don't go left. I was going. You ripped it. Gibraltar. Get some, yeah. That's nice right there. Oh yeah, you. Go. Starting off.